Ejele Mokgani, you've already given evidence in the trial within a trial, and your evidence commenced on the 2nd of November 2023. Do you confirm that?
Le ya dumela gore le na le setse le fane ka botlhatse ba lena bo thomile ka letšatši la bobedi ngwageng wa go feta kgweding ya November. Confirmed, my lord, uthi yebo yavuma ukuthi uye waphana ngobufakazi eqale ngonyaka odlulile ngoNovember nge-2.
Do you further confirm the evidence that you gave in the trial within the trial?
Le dumelana le botlhatse ba lena bo le faneng ka bona ka karolong ela ya trial within a trial. Yes, I do confirm, my lord, to vumelana na bufakazi aphenene ngabo kulesiya sigaba se-trial within a trial.
Is that correct that on the 19th of August 2020, you were on duty in the Mpangeni area in KwaZulu-Natal?
Ke nnete gore ka di 19 ja August 2020 le be le moshomong le le tulong e bitswang Mpangeni KwaZulu-Natal. That is correct, my lord. Uthi yebo iqiniso ukuthi nge-19 zika August 2020 wayekade esebenzela Mpangeni eNatal.
Can you tell the court in your own words what happened on that day?
Nkele botse khoro gore ka lona letšatši le uwe go diragetseng.
Ke na le Brigadier Gininda.
Akuchazisele inkantolo ukuthi kwenzakeleni uthi wayekade eno Brigadier Gininda. He was with Brigadier Gininda.
And
we were investigating in that place. Saskate sipenya kuleyo ndawo.
Which place?
Mpangeni KwaZulu-Natal.
Mpangeni in KwaZulu-Natal. Uthi yipi leyo ndawo uthi kusempangeni eKwaZulu-Natal.
Brigadier Gininda wila fumana magala.
And then Brigadier Gininda received a call. Brigadier Gininda uye wathola ucingo. A call from a senior from the prison in Kalagabucha. Brigadier uye wathola ucingo ebelkade libuya komunye wabaphathi wejele laseKalagabusha.
Mr. Yaka.
And that was Mr. Yaka. Lo muntu obekade mshayela ucingo kwakade kumnumzana uYaka.
Cellphone.
It's fine. You don't need to go into the details. Mr. Yaka will testify about that.
Okay.
What happened after Brigadier Gininda received this call from Mr. Yaka?
Go diragetseng ka moraga gore Brigadier Rebesche a khumane mogala go tswa go mongadi Yaka.
Yes, well, what did you do as a result of that report?
Le dirileng ka moraga gore ba le tlhaloseditse ba le boditse gore go diragetse. We ran to the prison. Nienda enzani ngemva kokuthi nithole ucingo uthi siye sagijimela kulelo jele.
Yes, just place the name of the prison on record again.
Lina la trongo belingi.
Kalagabucha.
Kalagabucha. Sagijimela kulelo jele ele Kalagabucha.
Yes.
When we arrived, Mr. Yaka, Masviga umnumzanu Yaka, he informed us that he has found a cell phone. Uye wasitshela ukuthi uthole umakhale khukhwini.
Mr. Yaka will be testifying later on today, my lord, that his evidence be provisionally allowed. Yes.
Le ka tswela pele. And he informed us that he found that cell phone from one of the inmates in the prison. Uthi ke uye wamtshela ukuthi uthole lo makhalekhukhwini komunye waba abasolwa abekade belaphayana ejele.
Yes, you may just proceed. Mr. Yaka made this report to you, and what happened?
Uile aleboja Mr. Yaka kamraga mo uwe wa diragalaeng. He gave us that cell phone. Uye kwayenzakalani ngemva kokuthi sekanitshelile uthi uye wasinika lelo cingo. We placed that cell phone in the exhibit bag. Siye sathatha lo makhalekhukhwini samfake ku exhibit bag. We sealed it in front of Mr. Yaka. siye sayivala ke siphambi kwakhe umnumzana uYaka.
Do you still remember the make of that handset?
Le sa gopola gore cellphone ye o e be le ya mohuta o mofeng leina la yona.
ke sellatheke se nyane go bola ka re le bitsa tsana ke stylo.
It is a small cell phone, if I remember its name, it's Stylo. Uthi lo makhalekhukhwini usakhumbula ukuthi bekuyinhlobo yini yomakhalekhukhwini uthi yayikade kuyile encane uma ngikhumbula igama layo la yayibizwa iStylo.
You testify that you put it in the exhibit bag and sealed it. Were there any identification marks on that exhibit bag?
Lile la re lena le loketse ka gare ga lesakana la botlhatse go be go na le dilo tse leng gore di ile di ngwalwa go ba di ile di a dirwa di matshwao a rileng mo yona lesakana lewe.
Usually ra lengwala case number le go na le exhibit bag.
That is correct. We had placed a case number and the exhibit bag. Utige the exhibit bag number. Utige ikona into zikhona impawu mhlawumbe siyezabhalwa kulelo saka lelo lobufakazi uthi yebo siyesabhala case number sabhala futhi nenombolo yalo lelo saka lobufakazi.
Yes, what happened after that?
Le ka tswela pele go tlogela mowe.
Gomme e fetsa go tswela pele ga Mr. Yaka salra le tsia saka leo ra tla lona mo gauteng.
After sealing it in front of Mr. Yaka, we took it and came to Gauteng with that exhibit bag. Ngemva kokuthi silvale lelo saka siye salithatha sabuya nalo saza eGoli.
Gomme ka tšatši la go latela ka fihla ka lebuka mo 13 kwa Vosloorus police station.
And the following day, I personally booked that exhibit bag at Vosloorus on the SAP 13. Uthike ngelanga elilandelelayo kulayi ukuthi yena uqobo lwakhe uye walifaka ke lelo leliya saka la izolo kwi SAP 13 eVosloorus.
Yes.
Le ka tswela pele.
Gomme tšatši lewe gape ka ibuka auto sellathekeng seo.
And then the following day, I booked out that cell phone. Ngelanga elilandelelayo mina ngayibooka out lo makhalekhukhwini.
Gomme ka iša go setsebi sa rena sa go downloada diplathekeng Colonel Steyn.
And I took it to our expert who downloads things that are on the cell phone, Colonel Steyn. Uthi ngemva kwalokho kulaye ukuthi uye wathatha lo makhalekhukhwini wamisa kungodi wabo lobekade ekwazi ukuthi athole ulwazi lwezinto ebezikade ziphakathi kumakhalekhukhwini.
Is it correct that Colonel Steyn is one of the state witnesses who has already testified?
Ke nnete gore Colonel Steyn ke o mongwe wa botlhatsi ba setseng ba fane ka botlhatsi.
Ke nnete.
That is correct. Uthi iqiniso na ukuthi uColonel Steyn omunye wabofakazi oyikuthi usekaphane ngobufakazi uthi yebo iqiniso.
I just want to show you the original of the exhibit register from Vosloorus police station.
Ba re ba le kgopela gore le lebelle originally ya di register ja Vosloorus.
That would be exhibit CC. Can you just put the particulars of those entries on record?
Nke le re balle gore lebe go ngwetsweng gana mowe.
Mo gare ga buka e column ya mathomo e na le SAP 13 number.
In this book, the first column has a SAP 13 number. Kule ncwadi I column yokuqala inenombolo ye SAP 13.
Wala ngwetsa ka tsela 604.
It is written 604. Uthi ke ibhalwe 604.
Le letšatši leo ke išitše wana ka Vosloorus ka lona.
And the date in which I had submitted at Vosloorus kunesuku futhi ukuthi ngayisa nini leyo nto eVosloorus.
Gomme column ya bobedi e na le lebitso la station ke Vosloorus.
And on the second column, the name of the station is written there as Vosloorus. Kwi column yesibini kubhaliwe igama le station kwi Vosloorus.
Gomme le case number 636 of 10/2014.
And the case number is also written there, which is case 63610 of 2014. Case number ibhaliwe lapho case 63610 ka 2014.
Column yabararo yona ngwebala ka tsela e.
And the third column reads as thus:
One stylo cell phone sealed exhibit back P2 PB 000258286.
Uthike ubhalileke lapho ukuthi umakhalekhukhwini owodwa we-stylo yona i-seal number yakhona kwakade ku P2 B 000258286.
Column yabune.
And the fourth column,
in which you name and address of a finder, Detective Sergeant Mohani, National Cold Case Unit.
is written the name and the address of the finder, and it is Detective Sergeant Mohani, National Cold Case Unit.
Circumstances under which and place where found or seized, found in possession of accused at Kala Kabucha prison Mpangeni.
Yapalwa futhi nokuthi kwakade kwenzakalani ukuze leyo nto izotholwa, kubhalwe ukuthi uthole leyo nto eqala kabucha Empangeni.
Name, telephone number, postal and residential address of lawful owner or accused if known.
Kwaphinda kwabhalwa futhi negama likamsolwa noma ikheli lakhe nenombolo yakhe uma ingabe iyaziwa. And that cell phone was found on Sifiso Ntuli in Kalakabucha prison Empangeni. Uthi lawo makhalekhukhwini uye watholakala ku Sifiso Ntuli eKalakabucha ejele Empangeni.
Signature of a member or person handing in exhibit. Sergeant Mohani signing signature.
And following, it speaks of a signature of a member that handled the exhibit, and I have signed, my lord. Beseke kusase kuyo leyo column leyo kubhalwa futhi nokuthi umuntu othole lobo bufakazi uyena okwamele asayine, uthi usayinile yena uSergeant Mohani. And the fifth column, there's nothing that is placed in there as it's for the station. And we will go to the sixth column. We column yesihlanu ayikho into ebhaliwe njengoba kuye yase station, manje sesiya kwi column yesithupha.
Alright, date and manner of disposal.
Firstly, it speaks of the date and the manner of disposal. Uthi into yokuqala kubhalwe isuku la leonto la kwenzakele leso sigameko.
2020/08/20 item 3.1 book out for downloading.
And it is written 2020/8/28 that item was booked out for downloading. Uthike bese kuyabhalwa ke ukuthi leonto leyo ngo 2020 nyanga yes 8 nge 28 or 20
2020/08/20
ngenyanga yes 8 ku 2020 nge 20 leyo nto iye yathathwa ukuthi iyo downloadwa.
Name and address of a recipient. Sergeant Mohani, the address of National Cold Case Unit Pretoria.
And secondly, it speaks of the name and address of the recipient, which it was myself, and I have written National Cold Case Pretoria. Bese ke ikhuluma ngegama nekheli la lo muntu obekade ethatha leonto, ubhalile yena igama lakhe nesibongo nokuthi yena usebenza kwi National Cold Case yase Pretoria.
Then 6.3, a signature of a recipient is Sergeant Mohani signature.
On 6.3, it speaks of his signature, and he has put his signature there, my lord. Uthike bese ku 6.3 ikhuluma nge signature yakhe uthi usayinile naye.
Yes, and just put in record again, to whom was this exhibit handed?
After ki tšela
ka moraga mowe ile ya newa mang botlhatsi bowe.
ke ile ka inela Colonel Stay.
I handed it over to Colonel Stein. Uthi-ke uye wabunika abantu lobo bufakazi uthi ngabunikezela ku-Colonel Stein.
Now, can we then move to the events of the 8th of February 2021?
Nke re yeng go letšatši la di 8 February 2021.
Where was accused number 2 held at that stage?
Molatofatšwa wa bobedi yena o be a lemmeile kae ka nako ewe.
Valeria Police Station.
He was in Valeria a siyeke ku February 2021. Umsolo wesibini yena ube kade nimbeke kuphi uthi wayekade Valeria Police Station.
Can you tell the court in your own words what happened on the day in question and just testify about your personal knowledge?
Nke le botse khoro gore ka letšatši leuwe go diragetseng le tlhaloše dilo tše lena le di tsebang ka lona letšatši leuwe a kuchazisele inkantolo ukuthi kwenzakeleni ngalelo suku wena uchaze into ewena uyazi.
Wala ka tšatši la di 8.
Are you referring to the 8th?
Yes.
Ke lona leuwe ukukhuluma ngelanga le 8 uthi yebo ngalelo la.
Ka di 8 tša February sale nna le the late Sergeant Mapena
On the 8th of February, myself and the late Sergeant Mapena,
ra isha cell phone ya accused number 2 Mittelbeck.
we took accused number 2's cell phone to Mittelbeck. Ngalelo langa mina no mufi uSergeant Mapena siye sathatha umakhalekhukhwini wakamsolo wesibini sawisa eMittelbeck.
But just tell us, how did it happen from the beginning?
Nke le re tlhalosetse gore go diragetse jwang go tlogela mathomong. Akuchazisela ukuthi kwenzakele njani kusukela ekuqaleni.
Ka di 7th of February 2021
On the 7th of February 2021, ngey 7th ka February ku 2021,
ke ile ka botša ke the late Sergeant Mapena
I was informed by the late Sergeant Mapena ngatshelwa umufi uSergeant Mapena.
You received a report from Sergeant Mapena, and what did you do as a result of that report?
Ka moraga gore a le boditše mohu Sergeant Mapena le ile la dira eng uye wa yenza ngemva kokuthi sewucebiswe umufi uSergeant Mapena.
o rile no re kopane Valeria Police Station.
He said we should meet in Valeria Police Station. Uthe sihlangane police station yase Valeria.
o kry-ile tshedimošo ya gore accused
Yes, so just testify about what you know. Did you proceed to Villera Police Station?
yes
Yes, we did.
Yes. And
Uthi siyesaya police station yase Valeria.
what happened there at Villera Police Station?
Go diragetseng police station ya Valeria.
re ile ra humana gore accused number 2 o na le cell phone mo gare ga disele.
Upon our arrival at the Valeria police station, we found out that accused number 2 had a cell phone whilst he was in custody in the police cells.
Just tell us step by step what happened when you go to Villera Police Station.
Nke le re botse gore go diragetseng ge le fitlha sepoliseng sa Valeria.
re ke ne thoma gore ka after ke re le mogala ga Sergeant Mapena sa ra a re kopane Valeria Police Station.
After I had received a call from Sergeant Mapena, we had agreed to meet at Valeria police station. Ngemva kokuthi ngithole ucingo elisuka ku Sergeant Mapena, siye savumelana ukuthi sihlangane esiphoyiseni sase Valeria.
so re fitlha kwa ra ba re gopela maphodisa re nyako ya seleng ya Ntanzi.
Therefore, when we arrived, we asked the police officers that we would like to visit Ntanzi's cell. Masifika ke siye sacela amaphoyisa ukuthi sicela ukuyobona eseleni ya Ntanzi.
That's now accused number 2.
Number yes.
That is correct. Uthi ke uNtanzi uyena umsolo wesibini uthi yabo iqiniso.
Yes.
gomme sale ba re felesetša go ya mo seleng.
They accompanied us to the cell. Siye sahamba nawo amaphoyisa wase Valeria saya eseleni.
ba re bulela
But they opened for us basivulela.
gomme ra fitlha ra tsena ra kry-a Ntanzi.
We went into the cell and we found Ntanzi. Siye saya sangena phakathi eseleni samthola uNtanzi.
Just refer to him as accused number 2.
Awa.
Ba re ba kgopela le mmitše molatofatšo wa bobedi.
o nomoro na la bobedi
Accused number 2, my apologies.
o me re fitla kwa ba re bela ra tsena ra mutual mogala cell phone ka we shumishang re sa itsebeng.
And we asked him, where is the cell phone that you have been using, which we do not know of? Sambuza ke ukuthi uphi umakhalekhukhwini olibele usebenzisa thina singawazi.
A go mara bontsha yona le mo dikobong tsa gagwe.
He showed us that cell phone, dikobo le radi, dikobo tsa wa baruwa ba mapai.
Mapai.
And he showed us the cell phone as it was in his blankets. Kuyila ukuthi uye wasibonisa umakhalekhukhwini ngemva kokuthi simbuzile no umakhalekhukhwini wawo kade useyingubeni zakhe.
Rume ona mo sa ra itshia gape cell phone e ra itshela ga re exhibit bag mo pele ga gagwe.
We took that cell phone and placed it inside the exhibit bag in his presence. Samthatha umakhalekhukhwini lowo ke samfaka Ubufakazi saka lobufakazi phambi kwakhe umsolo wesibili.
O me ra sepela le yona.
We left with it, sahamba nayo.
In that cell where in accused number 2 was he alone? Was he sharing this cell with other prisoners?
Ka gare ga sele ewe o ba ya le tere goba o ba ya na le ba bang ba swarwa.
Ka re tshetse ke boletse ka o testify lo ba dula le teng.
As I have previously testified, my lord, he was held alone in a cell. Uthi ke manje umsolo wayekade enabanye abasolwa na kulelo cell uthi njengoba bese sengifakazile wayekade ehlala eyedwa.
Yes.
Lekathola pele.
Rume ka letšatši la go latela
On the following day, ngelanga elilandelelayo,
ra tšea cell phone eo ra ya le yona Middleburg for ba ile downloada.
we took that cell phone to Middleburg for downloading. Sathatha umakhalekhukhwini lowo sahamba naye ngelanga elilandelayo ukuthi uyo downloadwa siya nawo Middleburg.
And why was it taken specifically to Middleburg?
Gobaneng cell phone yewe ile ya jewa ya issue Middleburg.
Rila ra humana gore Colonel Stein yena re thuša ka downloading mo ba se go tšatši leo week eo ka moka.
We discovered that Colonel Stein, who was assisting us with the downloads, was not present that whole week. Kungani manje lo makhalekhukhwini nothathe nawo useMiddleburg uthi siye sabona ukuthi uColonel Stein wayekade engekho kulelo viki.
Yes, and where in Middleburg did you take the phone to?
Liisitse kae phone yela mo Middleburg?
Re se lefapheng la DPCI forensic investigation.
We took it to DPCI forensic investigation.
Umakhalekhukhwini lowo samthatha ke samikisa noma samhambisa kuma office e-DPCI ukuthi bayokwenza uphenyo ngawo.
Is it correct that DPCI is a unit of the police?
Ke nnete gore DPCI ke nngwe ya lefapha la maphodisa.
Ba bantši ba ba e bitsang ba re ke di-Hawks.
That is correct, and it is known as the Hawks.
Kuyiqinisoko ukuthi DPCI leyo ingxenye yamaphoyisa abaningi kuma bebabiza bathi ama-Hawks.
Yes, we proceed.
Lekathola pele.
O me sa re fihla ka e ngwadiša.
We, upon our arrival, then I registered that cell phone.
Mase ngifika ke khona lapho ngase ucingo lolo ngiyalibhalisa ke noma lokuthi ke ukuzayizisa khona lapho.
I just want to show you the original of the SAP13 store
Bar le bone botlhatse
from DPCI offices.
e
The
leng
original SAP13 store.
ke yona buka ewe ya gona ya SAP 13.
E ke yona.
That is correct.
Iyona ke incwadi lena ephambi kwami ekuyiyona ke eyakhona lapha kulama office e-DPCI.
Sorry, where is the book? You say you're showing us the book.
Just leave.
Are you showing an age
Just, yeah.
extract or are you showing a register full?
Yes. We showing him the extract, my lord, from the SAP13 register. That extract of the SAP13 has been handed up as Exhibit DD in brackets 3.
Sorry again. Sorry to hear about something. Was it certified? Because that is an extract of the original SAP register. I see here there's no certification. I'm just asking because I want to be clear.
Yes, but this is just for court purposes. The original will be handed up.
Okay, fine. She never told me that.
Yes, you can proceed.
Kile ka ngoshilona iswana li buka ele ya kwa foslora silo neno ngwala ga uswana mara ke tla e bala.
It is similar, my lord, to that other one of Phosphorus. However, I will put it on record.
Le ncwadi ke iyafana ke naleyana ekuyile kuthiwa yase phosphorus kodwa ke ngizoyifunda.
Lona ina le column ya mathomo ina le itomaka e ba thomile ka date.
It has the first column which is written a date.
Kunala eqaleni ke la ekubhalwe khona ke ilanga noma ke i-date.
2021 0208.
It is written 2021-0208.
Ebhalwe ke u-2021 0208.
Umemo ina le 13 number, ma 13 number ke DPSA is different from the station.
Then it has a 13 number, but it is different from that one of the station.
Kodwa ke inale number ebizwa ngokuthi inombolo ke i-13 kodwa ke yona ke ye-DPCI ihlukile ke kule yase station.
Yona iba la ka sila DFI
It reads as follows.
0005022021.
It's DFI :050221.
Yona ke yase ibhalwa ke u-DFI 050221 2021.
Ome kolome go latela bobedi ingwe station le case number yona ke Phosphorus case 636 of 10/2014.
The second column is written the name of the station and the case number, which is Phosphorus case 63610 of 2014.
Bese ke kulandelayo kubhalwa ke i-station ke ukuthi iqala la kule yakusiphi i-station i-Phosphorus u-63610 2014.
Ome kolome abararo le yona sana swana nelo detailed description of exhibit.
And the third column, it's detailed description of the exhibit.
Bese ke kulandelayo ke ila bethi khona ke bhala ngokuphelele ukuthi yini le elethwayo noma exhibit leli ke elethwayo.
Ome yona bela ka tsela ye 1 times forensic back number P2B 000 233484 with one gold Samsung cell phone sealed.
And it reads as follows. 1 times forensic bag number P2B 000233484 with one gold Samsung cell phone sealed.
Ebhalwe ngalendlela ke ukuthi ke isikhwama ke sobufakazi ke esisodwa esinenamba ewu-P2B 000233484 kanye ke ne-Samsung noma umakhalekhukhwini ke ogoldi ngombala we-Samsung.
You earlier testified that when you found the cell phone on the blankets in the cell of accused number 2, you placed it inside the bag and sealed it. Does this reference number relate in any way to the seal number you referred to earlier on?
Lebelerile ge le ikhumana cell phone yela e le mapaeng a gage le ile la e lokela ka gare ga exhibit bag nomoro ye le fetšang go e bana e ka ba e le gore ke yona yela e be le engwetse.
Ke yona.
That is correct, it relates to that exhibit number, my lord.
Ufakazile ngaphambilini ke ukuthi nkathi uthola ke umakhalekhukhwini lona ke kuzona ke imbozo kulala zakhe umsolo wesibili wafaka ke kwisikhwama sezobufakazi le number ke uqeda uyifunda manje iyona ke leyana uthi yebo kuyiqiniso.
Alright, Rabo.
Excuse me, madam. This witness never testified earlier on about the specific bag number in which he put the cell phone after he confiscated it in the cells.
Yes.
What was the bag number, madam? That is
You're asking me. Ask your learned colleague.
I know what the point that my learned friend is trying to make. We'll come back to that.
What is a seal bag? It's the listen, which I differentiate between a sealed bag and a bag number.
The state is asking him now whether the number that he is reading now is the same number that was on the seal bag that he put the cell phone in, and this witness says yes.
Oh, I see.
But my concern is, he never told this court what that SIM number is, as he was putting it at the cells.
Okay.
We will get back to that aspect. Yes, you may proceed.
Umme ya column yabu 4,
Then on the fourth column,
Leona, your name and address of finder.
it says name of the address of the finder.
bese ke la ekulandelayo ke ila ekithi kufunwa khona ke igama kanye nekheli lalowo owathola.
Inquisitor Sergeant Mabena of CI. CI means crime intelligence.
It is written Sergeant Mabena of CI, which is crime intelligence.
Base kubhalwa khona ke uSergeant Mabena kwabhala uCI ukuthi ke crime intelligence.
Omega Matlasi, Sergeant Mohani, National Cold Case Unit, Pretoria.
Underneath, it's Sergeant Mukhani of National Cold Case in Pretoria.
Ngenzansi kwalokho base kubhalwa uSergeant Mukhane yena ke obuya ke kwi-National Cold Case Unit ePitoli.
Omega Latalangi, name, telephone number, residential address of lawful owner or accused, Omega Bongan Ntanzi.
And after that, it's written the name and the residential address of the accused, which is Bongani Ntanzi.
Bese kuthi okulandelayo ke kufunwa ke igama kanye futhi ke nayo ke inombolo kanye futhi nekheli lomnikazi izigaba njengomanje ne baliyo uyena ke uBongani Ntanzi.
Omega Latelago, your signature of a person handling the exhibit,
And then it says the signature of the person handling the exhibit, which I signed.
Okulandelayo kufuna lapho ke ukuthi kusayindeke noma isignature ke yalowo ekuyena osebenza noma ophethe izibiti nalapho ngaphinda ngasayinda futhi.
4.5 your signature of a person who receives. Since a member who received the exhibit, actually signature acceptable gamanga given kasonu evala.
Then on 4.5 it says the signature of a member who receives the exhibit. I see the signature, but I cannot recall who has signed, my lord.
Bese kuthi kulandelayo ke kufisa noma bafuna ke isignature yalowo ke okuyena owamukela noma othola ke izibiti lelo. Ngiyabona ke kusayindiwe lapha ukuthi ubani wasayinda angisakhumbuli.
Omeria go column number 5 ilona ki kwa stationing.
And then column number
5,
5, there's nothing written there as it is for the station.
Elandelayo ke column ye station akubhalwanga lutho ke khona lapho.
right, and then the column number 6.
Then we proceed to column number 6.
Here date and man of disposal. Date and man of disposal. Inali lichachi lelongi 2023 of 9/05.
And it says the date and manner of disposal, which the date which is written there is 2023-09/05.
Okulandelayo ke kuthi ka i-date ke kanye nendlela ke ekwathi ke kwasakazwa ngayo noma ke kwahlukana ngayo ke nalelo zibiti lelo balwe i-23-09/05.
Umela bela katsela here.
And it reads as follows.
1 times cell phone J5 in back number PA 6500005482 with 1 CD sealed in back number PA 6500005483 handed over to Sergeant Mohani.
And it reads as the witness just read. 1 time cell phone JS in back number PA 6500005482 with 1 CD sealed in back number PA 6500005483 handed over to Sergeant PV Mukhani.
Bese kuthi ke kubhaliwe ke ukuthi i-cellphone eyodwa iJS ifakwe ke esikhwameni esinenamba esiyi-PA 6500005482 kanye ke ne-CD eyodwa yona ke evaliwe ke kwisikhwama ke esinenamba ewu-PA 6500005483 base kudluliselwa kuyena ke uSergeant PV Mugane.
Can we then just go back to the aspect that Advocate Nisa raised earlier on? Did you make a statement regarding this matter? This
Nke
incident?
Robiela morago nyana ka taba ela ebe advocate Misia ba bolela ka yona le na le ile la dia statement na ka bone botlhatsi bowe.
ke le ka se dira.
Correct, I did make a statement, my lord.
Uma sesingabuyela ke kulolu daba ke beke waliveza ke no advocate umnisi yebo ngokumayela nalo daba lolu ke kune statement engasenza.
And did you make that statement? Did you write the statement yourself, or were you dictating the statement to someone else?
Lebele sengwala le na ka bolena ka seatla sa lena statement se we go ba lebele botsa motho a ngwala.
No, it's typing the statements.
I typed the statement, man.
Mina ke wasibhala ukuthi ngasithayipha ke istatement leso.
And did you read the contents thereof after it was typed?
Ka morago gore le se typeile le ile la se bala.
ke a se bala o kgontsha ngwadile e botse no.
Correct, I read the statement to confirm if everything that I wrote is correct.
Yebo ke mase ngiqedile kusibhala ngasifunda ke ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngikubhaleke ngibhale kona noma ke okuyikona.
And did you sign the statement?
Le ile la se signa. Correct, I did.
Uyiqiniswa nokuthi ngasayinda ke istatement leso.
In that statement, did you write down the identification mark of the exhibit back?
Go statement se we le ile la ngwala nomoro ya botlhatsi ba lesakana le.
ga go gopola ke ngwetse.
Correct, if my memory serves me well, I did write the exhibit number.
Mangikhumbula kahle ke nayo ke inombolo noma inamba ke exhibit leyo ngayibhala kuleso statement.
Do you want to refresh your memory from your statement?
Le ka rata gore le ikgopotse statement se we.
nka se thabela seo.
Yes, I would be very happy to refresh my memory.
Ngakujabulela ukuthi ngikhumbuzeke ukuthi yini ke ekusona istatement leso noma ngabhala
I
ngakho.
just want to show you is that your statement.
This one statement sa lena se.
ke sona.
Yes, this is my statement.
Bese ngiqeda ukusinikwa ke yebo isona istatement engasibhala.
Can you place on record the forensic back number?
Nke le re botse nomoro ya forensic ye leng mo we.
e bala ka tsela e
It reads as follows.
PB2B 000233484.
It reads as PB 2B 000233484.
Fundeka ngale ndlela ke P2B 000233484.
And regarding the incident of the 19th of August 2020 at Kalagabusha prison, you also mentioned that after receiving the cell phone from Mr. Yaka, you put it in the forensic bag, is that correct?
Le boletse la re ka di 19 tša August le ile la re ka moraga gore le humane cell phone ye la go Mr. Yaka le ile la e lokela ka gare ga lesakana la botlhatsi.
ke nnete.
That is correct.
Kuyiqiniswa ukuthi mayelana nesehlakalo sange-19 zika August 2020 kwijeleke laseqala kabusha emuva kokuthi umakhalekhukhwini ngawuthola kuyena uMr. Yaka ngase ngiyithatha ke ngifaka esikhwameni sizobufakazi.
Did you also make a statement regarding this incident of the 19th of August 2020?
Le ka yona tabela ya di 19 tša August 2020 le ile la dira statement.
ke se dire.
Yes, I did.
Nangalelo langa ke noma ke isigameko leso sangalelo langa sange-19 August 2020 kune-statement engasenza.
And did you write the statement yourself, or did you dictate it to someone?
Le sengwetse ka seatla sa lena go ba le ile la se botša motho o mongwe a sengwala.
ke se typela gape ka nna.
I typed the statement myself.
Naleso ke mina ke ngokwami engasibhala noma ke ngasithayipha.
And did you sign the statement?
Lilela se sign?
Ke sign.
Yes, I did.
Yebo ngasayina ke naleso istatement futhi.
I just want to show you the statement. Is this your statement?
Mara ba kgopela go le bontsha sona.
Ela ukuthi ngikubonise sona ke ukuthi ubheka ngathi ngabe isona yini lesi.
Afake sona statement se.
Ke so.
Correct, it is my statement.
Yebo isona lesi ngicela usinika.
What is the date of that statement?
Letšatši date le ngwetšwe letšatši le lefeng.
Yara date fela ka ntlhalošetša.
Which date are you referring to, my lord?
Date of the statement on which you made a statement?
Letšatši le leng gore le ngwetše statement ka lona.
5 of September 2023.
5th of September 2023.
Kwakungeyi-5 zika September ngo-2023 ilanga noma ke i-date istatement lesi engasibhala ngayo.
And did you write the identification marks of the forensic bag in your statement?
Le ile la ngwala maswao a lesaka le la bohlatse.
Ke ngwetše.
Correct, I did.
Nokuthi ke futhi ke amanamba ke ayo i-bag noma ke isikhwama leso sizobufakazi nawo ngawabhala kusona lesi statement.
Do you wish to refresh your memory from the statement?
Le karata go se bala le lebelle statement sa lena. Yes, my lord.
Yes. So what were the identification marks?
E be e reng nomoro go ba di matshwao a lwangwetšeng.
Forensic bag number P2B 000 258 286.
Forensic bag number was P2B 000258286.
Yona ke lena inombolo ewu P2B 000258286.
Thank you. Can we then just lastly deal with the arrests or the execution of the warrants of the accused, to which you've already referred to in your evidence in the trial within the trial? Can you just explain to the court as to when did that take place?
Jwale nke re mola re be lena le tšea di warrant tšela le ilo di šomiša go diragetše neng.
E be le ka di 26 October 2020.
It was on the 26th of October 2020.
Ake okugcina ke sikhulume ke manje ngokuboshwa ke noma ke incwadi lezi ke zokubopha ebizwa ngokuthi ama warrants. Kwenzeka nini lokho? Kwakunge 26 zika October 2020.
Ka ge ke swara accused number Ntanzi for molato for case 636 of 10/20/2014.
And on that particular date, it's when I arrested accused number 2, Ntanzi, for the matter case 636-10/2014.
Ngalelo langa lelo ke ilanga engangibopha ngalo ke umsolo wesibili uNtanzi ngimbophela lona ke icala lase phosphorus case 636-10/2014.
Ke ile ka mhlalosetša ke a o swara Ntanzi gomme ka mmiletša ditokelo tša gagwe tša go swariwa.
I explained to him that I am placing him under arrest and gave him his rights.
Ngamtshela ukuthi manje sengiyambopha ke futhi ke ngase ngimchazela ke amalungelo akhe ngawo umthethosisekelo.
Gomme ke ba ka moswara ka a warrant of arrest.
And I used a warrant of arrest to arrest him, which I showed him.
Lapho ngangimbopha ke ngencwadi ke eyayinginikeza ke amagunya ke ukuthi ngimbophe ke ebizwa ngokuthi ke warrant of arrest engamkhombisa noma engamtshengisa yona.
Thank you, Madam. This one.
Yes, Mr.
I have no question.